Good morning, my fellow donuts. How are we doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sorry I was late. I got lost in the cuddles with the baby. Lost in the sauce. But here we are. Ready to take on another day. Seriously, this should be finished this week. Morning, Steve and Samantha. And Sly over on YouTube as well. One good morning to, we have Paltex, Giovanni, Celico, Jake, Choma bro, long time no see, Nomad and Uriel. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good to see you all again. Good to see you all again. So as you can tell, we're at the finish line. We've got one side left, okay? One side left to do. And we are done. Once again. Here we go. One side left to go. Alright. So we do the other side. And yeah, we're done. That's it. We'll stain them up. And do the eyes last, pretty much. So that's the plan for this. But how's everyone? Hope everyone had a solid weekend. Had a couple of streams over the weekend. Over on Kick as well. Just playing some of the new update for the Grand Theft Auto server I roleplay on. Prodigy. Shout out to Prodigy RP once again. And I did dabble with a bit of some Forza offline. Massive 1 foot long, good sir. Uber you a foot long, my good friend. Reward yourself with a foot long, good sir. Trust me, you're not the only one that said that. You, sir, deserve a Subway foot long. Or, if there's a place that makes nice sandwiches for foot longs. Also, guys, I know, you guys are on Twitch, but we have surpassed 800 followers on Kick last night. So yeah, a massive one for me. As we try and grow another platform as well. So the plans today, what we're going to be doing today, obviously we're putting our focus on this side here. Putting all our focus on this side today. So we're going to be ridging a lot of this, okay? Going to be ridging this, so we're going to be putting our middle ridge into these sections here, and then before we do that we're going to carry on cleaning a little bit while longer, and we should be good. If only, brother, there's no Subway in Westport anymore. Wait, really, bro? True. Wow, that's pretty handy. Mind you, even better, you could make your own foot long. Me personally, man, I know a lot of people say, your significant other should make you a sandwich, and I'm like, hell no. Only I know what I like in my sandwich. Morning, aloha. How long did it take you to learn this stuff like that? I'll be honest, man, I'm still learning. The way I look at it, it's like it takes a lifetime to learn something. For me personally, that's just my opinion. Yeah, so like as you learn, the next day you've got more to learn and etc. So that's kind of the way I look at it. I'm great on vacation right now, binge watching your last couple streams. Oh really? Joe, where are you right now, my bro? Where are you tuning in from on your vacation, my bro? Where are we? Where are we? Yeah, so all I'm doing is just cleaning up some of these walls. I mean, we've done what we can to them, which is good. I'm just wondering if I may have to take them in some more. But all in all, yeah, we're coming towards the end of this. We're almost at the end of this piece, and well, we move on as we do. Even better, chicken chips and marmite sandwich, or just chicken chips. Hey, the simple things, eh, my bro? Bro, that was one of our go-tos back in the day. The old chip sandwich. Far out. Now that we talk about that, I actually wouldn't mind having one. I actually wouldn't mind having one. A simple, you know, a simple combo, but a nice combo. From the Netherlands on cozy and calm farm, 5 minutes from the beach. True. My man is living right now. W, my brother, W. That's on, my bro, that's on. I'd love to go on a bit of a holiday. But something we're doing this time around. So with school holidays, you know, the next school holidays coming up, my wife has decided to let the kids be in charge of our holiday things. Hey, what up, Dram? How you doing, my bro? So yeah, whatever they choose, bro, we gotta do. And yeah, usually the stuff they want to do is not cheap. Hope you're doing well, brother Dram, bro. I'd be surprised if the bro is even live. He was up for ages yesterday. Yeah, we might sounds like it'll be a good time. Yeah. Yeah, so the first thing they asked for was to go to Tamaki, so they want to go to Auckland, which is like a 2-hour drive away. But in the current gas economy, and they want to go to Kelly Tolton's and all that stuff, so we're saving up till the holidays, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. But also, guys, I am since we couldn't do our 6-year anniversary of streaming subathon, I'm starting to prep to do a GTA weekend. So I'm gonna sort out, you know, what date does GTA 6 actually drop? Does anyone know? Because I want to do a bit of a setup where I'm gonna be playing it, and I'll dress up like I'm in Miami and all that stuff. Buy some inflatable palm trees and whatnot. Thank you very much there, Guam. Yeah, I want to do a bit of a Miami setup, because it's in Miami, right? Or well, Grand Theft Auto in Miami. So I'm gonna try and November 18th, 19th. Okay, so that's a couple days after my daughter's birthday. We should be good. Bro, you gotta start saving on a separate bonus savings just for the gas alone. That is true. That is true. Yeah, bro. So yeah, we've been putting money aside each week just for the kids' weekend away. And then yeah, we'll go run it. Because they pretty much ask me, what do you want to do, Dad? Oh, I don't really care. I just want to do what you want to do. I told them I would like to go to the Weta place though. Gesundheit. Okay. What language is that again? Someone taught me that. Oh no, bro. It looks beautiful. Thank you very much, kind sir. We're almost done. We're pretty much on the last side. I saw that greeting German. Yeah, I thought so. I'm a bit of a goldfish, eh? Even summer. So there's a bit of a Weta experience up in Auckland. There's a Weta experience up there, and I'd love to go. And surely I'll have an IRL set up by then. A health instead of bless you. Oh, okay. So it's a bit of a. It's giving kia ora vibes. Che. So kia ora kind of means the same thing, like, you know, kia ora, to be well, to be healthy. Kia ora also means hello too. Have you ever shown your tools or how to sharpen? We do have to do a sharpening stream, my bro. I've just been so busy with other commitments outside of the stream, pretty much, because I only want to show it on stream. Although, you know, it would be kind of boring because I only have a stone and not a sharpening wheel. It will take a little bit longer. But yeah, the reason why I've been so busy outside of the stream, my daughter just started picking up basketball, and she's really kind of like locked in for it, and jiu-jitsu as well. So it's just been present, pretty much. One of my biggest flexes is I haven't missed any of my daughter's things as a father, pretty much. Yeah, I'll definitely be keen to do a sharpening stream. It'll be pretty cozy though. Also, if you are a sub on Twitch, I think they're available to you anyway, Dram. We got new emotes too. So after 6 years, I have replaced the Brock's love emote with another one. So it used to be Simba holding a heart, now it's my carving mascot. And we have Brock Sus as well, because you know, I like saying sus stuff to get some clip farms going on, and just for a laugh. I'm not afraid to admit that. And we have Brock's... What else do we have? So we got Sus, Love, and then we got Muted. Because, you know, sometimes I start the stream and the stream is muted, right? And then we have the King emote, Sip, and Pukana, the Pukana emote. One thing I'm planning to do too, I think I want to carve my Twitch mascot. My one, not the kids' one. So yeah, I got two mascots on Twitch, guys. You can probably tell which one is my one. Oh well, both of them are mine because my daughters created my bear emote for me. And it's very sentimental to me. When the kids do things like that, man, yeah. I like the sentimental things as a dad, eh? Always gives me the warm and fuzzies. It always gives me the warm and fuzzies. Yo, Remy LeBeau, thank you very much for the 3 months in advance. Thank you. Why are our alerts not working, bro? Come on, Twitch. This is the second stream in a row the alerts have not been working. Joey Jared, thank you, my bro. Let me just check our alerts, because they should be turned on. Yeah, our alerts are turned on. So why aren't they working? But I swear, bro, it's when Twitch had another update, eh? And then they just got all chalked. I do apologize that didn't get acknowledged on the screen, Remy. I might have to redo them. Sorry about that, Remy. Good evening there, Dalton. How are you, brother? Yeah, so all we're doing, my bro, is cleaning this up a little. Just getting rid of some of the router marks that may have been left behind. And then we can carry on. So the plan basically is to ridge all of these. And then all I have to do is get a screw and like I'm gonna do imprints on the lower level and ridge this, and it's pretty much done. So there isn't really much left to it. You played on Prodigy? Yeah, I was jamming it over the weekend. So went to check out Grapeseed. Grapeseed looks amazing now. I was looking around trying to see if there was anything to do with being a ranch hand, but I don't think you can yet, because I'm kind of basing it off like what my character would do. So some of the things you'd like, obviously a ranch hand is one of them he'd actually enjoy, or being a mechanic. Before, see, I'm not trying to get into I'm not trying to do a geo, all I should say, like speed run everything. Shout out to my boy Geo though. He's really good people, so I'll say that much. Yeah, I'm not trying to become a crim straight away. I'm kind of gonna, like, maybe for the next month, I think I'm just gonna be in a meeting people's phase. And it's been fun. It's been fun meeting new people, bumping into old faces as well. Sorry guys, just cleaning this up. Something will pop up unless you ask. Yeah, so my character knows about the hunting and fishing, but yeah, at the moment I just don't want to stand there and do that kind of stuff, eh? I know everyone's just kind of doing it for the money, and I'm trying to be the polar opposite. I know it's a bit hard, but the hard part is when the rations are running out. I think my character is scuffed too, because every time I fly into the city, bro, my character just starts dying. Like the health bar just starts going down. What got you into carving? My uncle, brother. My uncle introduced me to Whakairo at the age of 12 in Kurakaupapa, which is Maori Immersion Primary School. And before we even touched the chisel, he told us about where, Whakairo comes from. Kind of all the hardship that our ancestors went through. One of the big ones being the Tohunga Suppression Act. And it was an act passed by the Crown in Parliament where they made everything in our culture illegal, basically. And so that kind of lit a fire underneath I lit a fire in the heart, my bro, because I got upset. So those were two things. One of the big ones as well was the World Wars, with the generation gap of our people who didn't return because they were supposed to pass all of this on. And some did, but majority of our people didn't come back. Yeah. So that's kind of what gave me the push to go into it. And I have been doing Whakairo since 12, my bro. I'm now 34. I'm 34 years old, turning 35 this year. So about 22, 23 years now, my bro, in the game. And still a lot to learn. Still a lot to learn. You jam Prodigy too, my bro? No excuses, you've been jamming it too? Yeah, I was gonna jump on tonight, but I know we have a reading stream tonight, so I'll do that instead. Yeah, we got a reading stream tonight, so I want to run that instead. We, if you're interested, guys, yeah, we're reading the Fellowship of the Ring at the moment. We have finished The Hobbit. Okay, should be continued for eons. Yeah, definitely. But at the end of the day, it's pretty much up to our people to do so. Like I always say, with this, Whakairo is kind of like, or like anything within the Maori culture, other than the books, where you can learn stuff in a book these days. With Whakairo and many other things within our culture, it's like, I don't know if people have seen My Hero Academia. And All Might, he's got this quirk or this power called the One for All. So it's kind of a quirk that gets stronger the more it's passed down through the generation, so they can pass that power on to someone else. It's kind of like that. So it grows, you pass it on to the next person, grows again, and so on. I love The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings. Me too, bro. Dane Ironfoot is my favourite. From the Hobbit movie. I mean, Thorin's cool, don't get me wrong, Thorin's cool. Dwalin as well. And Gandalf. But what solidified it for me with Dane and the Hobbit, he rocked up to a war on a pig. And I thought that was pretty badass. And he's got tusks in his beard. Been watching the CG boys play. Oh yeah. Yeah, I need to kind of edit some Prodigy footage. Yeah, I bumped into so on my first day in the server reunited, I bumped into Zolo again. Met Peanut. Who else did I see? Zola gave me Junior's number. Who else? I think that's it from CG, and the rest of the people I've met have been new, which has been cool. It's just been fun, bro. It's all been fun. Unfortunately, guys, I think the Earth has absorbed yet another pencil, so I need to go inside and get another one, okay? One moment. Giovanni, you're in charge of the Twitch chat. No excuses, you're in charge of the Twitch, the YouTube chat, and Kick, you're in charge of the Kick chat. Won't be a moment. Alright, and we are back. Sorry about that. I just had to have some more cuddles with the baby. One must always make time for cuddles, ladies and gentlemen. One must always make time for cuddles. Looks incredible. Thank you, man. You've dropped in at the right time because it's almost done. We don't really have much left to do on it.
Shut the front door.
Shut the front door. Hold on, chat. Thought I'd bring TikTok in early. Okay, just because we're molding. But yeah, we're pretty much, you've caught us at a good time because we are getting ready to pretty much do the last section. The last section of this whole carving. And yeah, bro, that's pretty much all there is to it. It is what it is, brother. It is almost done. Good morning. Oh, not even TikTok's not even loading. It's not even loading. You stream games on YouTube? I have a YouTube gaming channel, but there's not much followers. I don't know if streaming on it would be ideal yet, or what do you reckon? I don't know. I genuinely not sure if it's the play because it's still early days. I know I gotta upload more to it. I just suck at long form. So I try and just get whatever gaming clips happen in the streams pretty much and see how we go from there. Where are we? I had bite marks. Yeah, those was the baby. She did that. She's a little savage, man. Little barbarian kid. Oh, why is our TikTok stream not even working? I do not know. And maybe it's because I'm too far away from the modem. Bro, it's so stupid. Never thought that I would feel the way of love that I have with you. Because it's you. Is it all good now? Is it working? I have no idea if it's working. I think I might be in the wrong category though. Yeah. Is it working? I don't know if the live is working. Is our live stream working? I don't know. Hi gentlemen, it's good. Okay, I just want to make sure. Thank you, J Rob. Okay. Hope everyone on TikTok had a solid weekend or is having a good weekend. Welcome, 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 welcome once again. Had to do I have to change the category? I feel like I might be still on the Forza category, eh? Oh, when you're all sitting in a circle and you and the vibrates from you miss the primary school days. Okay, I don't know if yeah, I don't know if it's working. I can't really see much that's supposed to be up here. Geez, my TikTok streams have been pretty chalked lately. Okay. Kia ora, hope you're having a blessed day. What's up, big old Dick? Cheer, my brother. Yeah, having a solid day, my bro. Kids are at school, so your boy can't complain. Your boy can't complain, my bro. Apart from the occasional stutter. Oh, we want no stutters though, because I feel bad. I thought I was close enough to the bloody signal. I thought I was. Some peace and quiet until 3 p.m. Yes, sir. You're absolutely right, good sir. You're absolutely right. Thank you very much, Binger. So are we still stuttering on TikTok? Thank you, Charlie and Binger. It's gonna bug me because, you know, I just want you to have a nice, chill stream with at least good quality. Thank you, Bailey. Morning, Tanked. How are you, my bro? Yeah, we're just outside, my bro. It is a Monday for me. Monday morning. You know, only a couple days left till we get it closing on winter. You have something on your lips. Your mum's... your mum's... cooking. Sorry, that was just too... That was just too, thing. Hey, what up, Delirious? How you, my brother? Bro, how do I make people VIPs on, Can you... Is that even a thing? Can I make people VIPs on, TikTok Lives? I don't know. Is that even a thing? Yo, speech in Deadpool, and I saw the sis as well. Thank you very much. And Delirious, oh there she is, Lee. And Archie. How's the weather there today? Wearing a heat wave in the UK. Oh, true, that's right. I remember those years ago. He's one of my bros, because he lives in the UK too. Shout out to the bro Mahalo Mace, by the way. One of the mods in my Twitch chat who actually did some work on Lego Batman. But he was showing me how hot it gets there. So yeah, one of the mods did something cool. Thank you very much, Kirk and Conker, for the roses. So yeah, me personally, I'm not really much of a Lego person, but cause the bro did work on it, I definitely play it. Can make them mods, I think. Oh, I don't want to put that on Delirious. I know this is place to chill. Behold my stuff. You on Forza later? I'll most likely be. I've just been doing a lot of like the side races. I've been doing a lot of the side races, and haven't really been doing the Forza events because I want to show it to you guys. I'm up to the mech race at the moment. Still pretty far behind. But still, it's fun. What's up, God637? Kia ora. I gotta say though, one of my favourite cars is that one you get from that container race. That container race, bro, that car feels nice, man. Like, really nice. And I got a Toyota Supra, but that's going to be... So I'm going to get 4 cars, okay? And they're all going to be the community cars. So I'll get Twitch to do one up, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok as well. He looks familiar. Am I? You don't want a dog, do you? I'll pay to send the little shit over. It depends, what kind of dog do you have? Because I would like a Malamute or a Chow Chow, pretty much. Or, if you are breeding them, and I'm going to need your help in about, how old's my kid this year? She's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. In about 5 more years, I'll need a Tibetan Mastiff. Have a good day, brother. Delirious, you have an even better day, my bro. Have an even better day, brother. I appreciate you for always showing up to the TikTok streams, my bro. Yo, Kirk, thank you for the galaxy, my bro. Big Kirk. Thank you, brother. I appreciate the love. Glad to see you still doing woodworking. I will do woodworking until I attain great age and I can't hold my tools anymore, my bro. Well, that's the plan. Brooks is the dog. He's got the dog. Got that dog in him. Don't say that. My uncles are in the mongrel mob. Nah, I've got uncles in all the gangs in the country. And yeah, they're all chill as. Yo, thank you. Whoa, Kirk again, bro. Holy Kirk Jerkums. Thank you very much for another galaxy and roses too, my bro. A lot of people always say, man, you must have grew up around some amazing people. And I'm like, oh yeah, most of my uncles were in like MCs. MCs, some of them were, worked in the bush. Thank you, M and Muncha. Thank you very much. But being surrounded by them, I didn't feel in danger whatsoever. The things they used to tell me growing up was, "Don't do what we're doing," and my thought was, I don't want to. I want to play Crash Bandicoot. My dad was in Lone Legion. May he ride into paradise. Hey, much love to Dad, my bro. Much love to Dad, brother. Even my uncle who taught me how to carve, he was in a gang called the Wairak Mob. Yo, Delio, thank you very much for the raid, good sir. But as he got older, it's just something he didn't want to do anymore. Yeah, it's just genuinely something, as he got older and then he had grandkids, it wasn't really a life he wanted to be in. I mean, he was one of the old heads, so he was fine. Kia ora, Brox. Kia ora, my bro. How are you? What's up, big brother Sam? How are you, my bro? So I'm just blocking these porno bots on TikTok. How many years have you been doing this craftsmanship? 22, roughly 22, 23 years pretty much is how long I've been doing this for. Yo, what up, Keanu? Sure, Keanu. See, I don't even see how many, like, there's this part of the TikTok stream that's not popping up where it shows your view count and who's all here and the events thingy, so that's not popping up. Multi and Cola, thank you very much. So I don't know who's all here. This piece is coming out great. We're pretty much on the arse end of it, resurrected. We're on the finish line, my bro. More than 500 people, okay. Yeah, sorry I don't know how many people was there. I feel bad not knowing. Sure, but they can... Kia ora, brother. Can you rate my moped? As long as the tank's full, it's good. It gets you to where you need to be, it's good. Pretty much. No Forza Horizon today? No, not today. I don't know how to change my category on my phone. I'm sorry. I won't be playing Forza tonight either because Mondays and Fridays are my reading streams. So I read a book to the streams as a whole. Thank you very much for the roses, Who Dilo. I used to watch your Twitch streams. I appreciate you. Yeah, we're still live on Twitch today. Instead, these days we're on 4 different platforms. Hey, what's up, Wuzo? Broski. Cheers, mate. Happy Sunday from sunny California. What's up, my brother? California. Sub Eagles fan. Go Birds, baby. Go Birds. Looking forward to the new season, my friend. You look like you need a massage, although you are a bot. That is true, but who knows, I'd probably break the person's hand with the amount of stress I have sometimes. You should be verified. I don't even know how to do that, so I don't really bother. Pretty much. Because I'm guessing you'd have to apply for a verification tick thingy. Does anyone know how to do that? I actually don't know. Yeah, I genuinely don't know. Nah, I'll be honest, I don't even look into it because I'd rather just be playing a game. You're making the trek out to BlizzCon? I'd love to, man. I'd really love to make my way back to BlizzCon. But me and my wife are saving up for a house. As much as I'd love to go, because you know, with the rumors of Classic Plus and you know many other things, I absolutely enjoyed my time at BlizzCon. At the last BlizzCon, because it was one of my big bucket list things. It was one of my big bucket list things in life, and I achieved it, bro. And I was buzzing. And then I saw the snipers on the roof. That was an eye-opening thing. I guess, you know, event in America. Yeah, I woke up in my hotel room one morning. Yeah, I woke up in my hotel room one morning, looked out the window in my drawers, and I was like, those look like two guys with sniper rifles on the roof. And funny enough, they were. BlizzCon. It was still cool though. It was still cool. Have a good night. Have a good night, my bro. What happened on with you, Delio? So that was my first BlizzCon, seeing like people like soldiers getting their sniper rifles ready on top of the building. Do you play World of Warcraft? I do, sir. I do. I've been playing a bit of hardcore lately in the Dwarf Guild. Playing a bit of hardcore. I was playing TBC for a moment, and then you know, with me, as I always say, I am nerfed by life because I cannot be on the game 24/7 with my friends. So they kind of out-leveled me pretty much and out-geared me, so I kind of started getting bored jamming by myself. Thank you very much, Hugo, for the ice cube, my bro. Do you know why they're snipers? America, I guess. Pretty much. That was kind of the conclusion I came to. No offense to my fellow Americans. I just thought it was a normal thing, you know, because people like the pew-pews a bit too much than usual over there. So that's kind of the summary I got from that. Yo, morning, master. But yeah, I woke up, saw the sniper men, and then I just went, and then they waved back, and I was like, oh, shit. And then I went for a shower. But you know, if Blizzard ANZ invites me again, bro, if they give me the opportunity to fly over with them again, I will not say no. Yo, what up, Chris? Have them like, or do they have like sniper rifles? I mean, NFL, I would say like crowded places, eh? Just to be safe, I guess. Morning, mate. What's up, brother? Morning, my bro. I guess you'd need, you know, some form of safety like that for a big event like that. Hey, listen, I bumped into Esfan again. Seen him a couple times. What's up, Nomad? Thank you very much for the tier 1, brother. Thank you very, very much. And good morning to Cashton as well. How you been, Sturdy? Cheer out, brother. There were shots going off near the White House. Oh, I did see a TikTok about that, but then I won't lie, I swiped and looked for food once. Sorry. Sorry, Washingtonians. Not sure what happened there, but yeah, I was looking I was looking for other stuff. I don't know, I have the slight urge to make a cucumber salad with salmon. That recipe. Just got home from work. Oh, nice, my bro. Hey, what up, crazy? Cheer, my brother. Yeah, I don't know why, man. I've just been vibing with salads lately. I'm not a vegan, but you know, they're still pretty yum. I'm from Florida. Hey, Australia and America. You're making me... Hold up. The trick out to BlizzCon. You are the best. Coles, thank you very much. And brother No Name with the 200 roses back to back. Holy. Thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Where do you live in NZ? I stay in a town called Rotorua. It is well known for its Maori tourism and its smell. So if you've ever been to this town, you'd know it. El Chivo, thank you very much. You'll know it smells like rotten eggs or fart because of all the sulfur. Yeah, all the sulfur kind of zested up the air here, but after 2 minutes, bro, it just smells like air. Okay, where's my pencil? It's behind my ear. If you want to see another POV of this, Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and... Oh, yeah, Twitch, Kick, and YouTube, sorry. I'm on the North Island, my bro. Oh, you from Motueka? Kia ora, my bro. Hey, folks. Hey, bro. Holy snaps, the woodwork is looking good. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, we're coming to, the, like, the arse end of the designing phase, my bro. So we're almost done. It's almost time to check out, pretty much. I hope that you and your loved ones stay safe. Yeah, bro. All of this makes me want to cry. Oh, brother. There's nothing wrong with that, Delio. I'll tell you that. Even as a grown man, I still cry. Damn, my bro. Thank you very much, Unknown, for the rose, and Joshua and Mario. It's a me, Mario. I would say that if you can, do release it. Yeah. Get it out, man. It's pretty much the best way to do it, Delio. Bottling that up can be very, very, very bad. Where are we? Cheer from Nelson. Morning, my bro. Tyler, thank you very much for the roses. Where are we? Just making sure I'm keeping up as much as I can. Are you a fan of rugby? Yeah. I'm only, the most rugby I watch is around when the All Blacks play or Super Rugby season, but you know, I watch League too, not like NRL and League of Legends. If people were wondering that. Shout out to Faker. bots are crazy, bro. They are probably the most annoying people on lives, man. These random bots. We all know it's just the man, so let's not dabble with that. Yeah, at the end of the day, we all know it's a man behind the bot accounts. Imagine, thank you very much for the roses and chairs as well. You're already at the first step, sort of, Delio. You know, you're speaking about it, which is a good thing. That's definitely a good thing, my bro. Hey, what up, Hamish? Sub, bro? Which reminds me, I need to create my Tiltify account. I fully forgot about that. Sorry, bloody parent brain this morning. Sure, my bro. Went down to Waitomo yesterday and hadn't been there like 30 years. Or bro, I haven't even been to Waitomo yet. You beat me twice. With a 30-year gap. Thank you very much to Comian for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime. Kia ora. Thank you very much. Do you watch football? Go Birds, baby. If there's anyone I would like to watch outside of the Eagles, Jennings Dunker is who I like to watch. Absolute magnificent specimen that fella is. Joshua, thank you very much for the galaxy, my bro. The mullet and the mo, such an iconic combo. Hey, where would you get your chisels like yours? From Carbotic. CARBA-TEC. Yo, Pi owns with the 50-month arenas. Thank you, my bro. Shit, how you been, Pi? Long time no see, my bro. Let's go this way. Can we get back to 800 today? What's your Discord? I think it's just exclamation mark Discord pretty much. Chio, what's up? Hey, what's up, Magica? How you doing, man? I'm incredibly grateful for the Twitch community. Just doing wood carving on stream, I can get so much positive energy from their support. Yeah, bro. It's I feel like in a way, from my POV as well, just from, you know, the wood carving that I've been doing, it's been nothing but positive. And I feel like, you know, it's kind of the, might be you know, gassing us wood carvers up a bit here, but I feel like it's with wood carving, it's kind of the energy we attract, if that makes sense. Because we're not out here, you know, trying to bark and be the loudest. We're not out here trying to be anyone other than ourselves and trying to get our work done. That's kind of the way I think about it anyway. Are you going to watch the World Cup? I don't really watch soccer / football, my bro. Hey, what up, Blathers? Sure, my bro. How long have you worked on this piece for? For about, geez, I think close to 30 hours is what we're on. And we're coming to the end of it all. So the side we're doing now is kind of like the last bits of designing on this whole piece. And all we're doing really is just ridging. Yeah, we're not doing anything like technical, it's just merely ridging these. and that's all we have to do, and it's done. And then pretty much once we've finished these four, once we've reached these four things, I'll have to go and look for a screw, a long one, so we can do like imprints on the bottom level to bring the detailing out a bit more. Cheers, Giles. Appreciate you, man. Can you say what does that mean, though? I don't want to say anything like that unless it has a meaning. Might be some gang stuff. Do you sell these? I do have some carvings that I will be selling, yes, but not yet, though. Not yet, good sir. Oh. Someone's not getting her way inside. She's such a queen, that kid, man. Hello, Habibi. How you doing? Thank you for being so positive in today's world. You really are making a difference, even if it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't know the impact I have on people. I just hope that, you know, when people are feeling down, that the stream brings them back up. That's only the one thing I hope as a streamer. Is that the stream itself brings you back up. That's all. Yeah, I'm not really out here trying to get, you know, anything else other than you guys being happy. What is the best food you love to eat? One that I don't have to pay for. Definitely. Hey, morning Nicotute. Cheer my bro. Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Man, we had some, we put some hours in on the old Kikarinos this weekend, my bro. Love your work, man. It's fantastic. Thank you, kind sir. One moment. Good timing for me to your stream. Oh, cheer, brother Greg. Cheer, my bro. I found this guy. So, as you all know, I've been getting back into TCGs again, and I came across, I think his name is TCG Dad. He's a card trader, but bro, he has some of the most top tier dad shirts, Pokemon ones. And bro, I love his content, eh? Real nice dude. Real nice dude. I hope I meet him at a card show one day. He's probably one of my favorite card or trading card TikTokers at the moment. One of my favorites that I watch all the time though, Jordan the Stallion. Bro, he's funny. He is funny, bro. Thank you very much, Uzumaki. Do you play any sport? Not anymore, man. I do go to the gym, but that's about it. What else? And just trying to work more on fitness these days. The Savage Poet, thank you very much for the roses, my bro. Yeah, so I'm kind of trying to focus more on fitness than strength. You know, I did a bit of powerlifting back in the day. I may have caused generational trauma. Okay. I may have caused generational trauma to chicken kind back in my powerlifting days, because I used to eat a rotisserie chicken for dinner every day for about 3 years. And my mods, two of my mods can confirm this because they were my flatmates when I was going through a powerlifting phase. So yeah, I may have caused chicken trauma somewhere. My bad, chicken kind. Pokemon is dope. I have a booster box of the new set waiting for me to start opening. Is that the Greninja one? Because I want to get a box of that too. But I want to do breaks just to have fun on stream. Yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to get into breaks as well, because they're fun. And I just find a lot of joy out of it doing with everyone on the stream too. I play the TCG mobile one too. Man, we have been getting absolutely rinsed by the free packs, man. Hope all is well. All is well, Nicitude. All is well, brother. Just been sending it over there, my bro. Sending it over there. Trying to play Prodigy as much as I can as well. But genuinely, my bro, it's been fun. It's been really fun. Where's my pencil? There we go. The viral Samoan guy. I am not Samoan, good sir. I apologize. Shout out to my Samoan cousins, though. They got nothing but love for everyone within the Pacific. Thank you very much, is it Vikak for the gifts, and Declan Bago. Thank you very much, my bro. Hold up, guys. Yeah, I like the Mega Greninja card, bro. It looks nice, eh? But I mean, for me, I think Greninja looks cool as a whole. I mean, he's a freaking ninja. How can you not like Greninja? Yo, what up, Robbie? Chama, bro. Thank you for the ice cube, my bro. How are you doing today? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Just, yeah. Oh, I won't lie, your boy was on late last night on GTA RP. And it's been fun. It's been fun just growing the platforms as well. And specifically, been putting a little bit of work into Kick as well. Because I will only be streaming GTA there majority of the time. But it's been fun. Yeah, my bro, like my daughter, my second girl, she's big into her ninja phase at the moment. So she's watching Naruto. And she only just discovered Greninja from Pokemon too. And she lost her marbles when she saw the Ninja Star come out. Like when Greninja pulls a Ninja Star, she lost her shit, bro. She's like, it's a ninja Pokemon! And saw the notification. Nah, you're good, man. You got the late night vibes. Thank you very much, Derek and DJ. Yeah, you're on those late night mahi vibes, my bro. So you're all good. You're all good. Okay, there we go. Dun, dun, dun. Where are we? Thank you, Starham. Hello, Yo-Yo. How you doing? How you doing? Never thought that I would feel the way that I have with you. What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Are you Samoan, my friend? The Anuai family could use some help in the Nah, I'm not Samoan, my bro. But hey, I'd help them out regardless, cause boy oh boy. Shout out, they're such a... You know, they've kind of, as a family, they've solidified themselves within the WWE, which is absolutely cool, my bro. I can't imagine, you know, I can't imagine the nostalgia Roman, the twins and Jacob and them get just like wrestling with each other. It must be like, you know, it must feel like them back at the whānau gathering, just jamming out, playing outside, eh? Playing wrestling outside. Where are we? Thank you very much, X, for the heart. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, guys, so just again, I'm going to start planning now for that GTA 24-hour stream that we're going to do. Now, I'm thinking of setting up the inside of the house to kind of, you know, kind of look like Miami in a way. You're gonna make it look like Miami a bit. You look better without that shirt on. I know you're a bot, but you have no idea. I'm still quite plumpy. So no, I don't. Thank you very much for the roses, no name. Where are we? Are you from New Zealand? Yes, I am. What's up, King? How are you, brother? I am, brother. Where are we? So hopefully, if the wifey goes to bed early, then we can get our reading streaming. If not, oh well, there. Which reminds me, I need to look at... Oh, I got a Galaxy. Oops. Thank you very much, Storm454, for the Galaxy. Sorry I missed that animation. Sorry about that, that's my fault. Thank you very much for the love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate the aroha, Storm. Yeah, so it's all we're doing is a little bit of repetitive stuff right now, but it's just to get everything clean, pretty much. How's everyone? This fine evening. It is currently 10:30 for me. My morning is going good. Going good. I've got I might need to go and get some another oil-based stain for this, because we're getting closer and closer by every day before we finish this, so we're all sorted in that account. Get ready to stain this. And then yeah, well, we're currently in a good spot right now. We're in the home stretch, guys, for this. So we're kind of just chilling. One moment, focusing. There we go. How are things, brother? Things have been good. Busy, but good. And I want to say to all those subs over on Twitch, I do apologize. Our notifications are not working today. So I might have to revisit the Twitch page and see why that's the case. But I want to say thank you very much to all those that are subbing. And another thank you to Blur Tier for the brand new tier 1 as well. I'm sorry that did not get acknowledged on the screen, my bro. I really apologize for that, my bro. I don't know why it's done that, but I'll try and look into it after stream as well. Thank you very much, my bro. I'm glad you're good. Yeah, you know, can't complain. Can't complain, man. How long do these usually take? So offline, I would have finished this the day I got commissioned to do it. Online, yeah, it does take a little bit longer. Because, you know, I like to talk and carve at the same time. I want to, you know, my thing as a streamer is to be, you know, welcoming and communicating well. Not being absolutely rude and not acknowledging people that are, you know, watching. I don't want to be that kind of streamer. So I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna acknowledge you guys and speak to you guys. So we're just trying to get all of this sorted right now. Like the last bit of this carving, and then it all just comes down to staining it. What type of wood is this? Love you, Korg. Cheers, my bro. This is Rimu. So this is Rimu. There isn't really any big extravagant story for this piece. It's more of a decorative piece, like it's gonna be a gift for the bro's wife. So the bro from high school, one of my old high school mates, hit me up asking for a carving, and he wanted it to represent resilience and just the journey his wife went through for her studies. So she's graduating from, I believe, university. She's graduating from her psychology studies. And the bro wanted to get a piece to, you know, acknowledge that. Thank you very much, NBK Tupac, for the roses. How long have you been doing this? Like carving in general? 22 years? 22 years is how long I've been doing Whakairo for. But in terms of this piece, we've been at it for a wee bit. We've put like, yeah, just over 25 hours into this. Yeah, 25 hours into this particular piece here. Thank you very much for the 302 roses, my bro. That's a bloody hell of a lot, bro. Bro, you need mods? Well, because of the porno bots? I won't lie, it just kind of shows how cringe the individual is, eh? like the person controlling the bots, because yeah, bit cringe lord, in my opinion. Thank you very much, Chino. Yeah, it kind of just shows how cringe the individual is. Bro, keep them here, please. Is that you? Gonna talk to the bots? Yeah. Oh, I thought I answered the break's question. Yeah, Rimu, R-I-M-U. So it is a. So it's more of a medium density kind of timber. It's not soft, it's not hard. There are sections in Rimu, however, where it can be like real brittle, kind of like cornflakes or wheat. But, you know, we carry on. We carry on. Oi, oi, oi. Hold up. Hey. Hello? Hello? Still awake.
Fighting it though.
Yeah. Hey. Hold up. Thank you very much. Do not disturb for the Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. Dada. Dada, love you. Look at your eye bags, man. Have a sleep. Thank you very much, Harry and Zyke. Did I say that right? Thank you very much for the gifties, my bro. Gosh, the face detail is crazy. Yeah, I'll give you a close up soon. Let me just get this done, and I'll give you a close up of the face. Oi, oi, oi. All right. What type of wood are you working with? A native, my bro. A native timber is what we're working with here. Rimu is the name. This is probably the second time I've actually worked with Rimu in my life. Yeah, this is the second time I've actually carved Rimu. For sure, far out. That's crazy. Yeah, no, this is the second time I've actually carved this timber. Love your vids, bro. Thank you. Oi! Gotta run soon, but I hope everyone is doing well and that your respective days are exactly the way what you hope for. Thank you, Octavia. Yo, thank you, Octavia. Appreciate the super chat as well. Where are we? Do you replace your tools often? No. I haven't replaced any of my tools at all. Your jacket has new ventilation. Yeah, unfortunately it got caught on the vice, my bro. A couple years back, but I'll probably continue to wear this jacket. I get made fun a lot of on some of my streams of this jacket here that I'm wearing, but nah, it's all good. It was my grandfather's. He gave me in 1995. That's why I still have it. It's pretty much the last physical memory I have of my grandfather's, or physical thing that he had. Yeah, it's the last thing I have of my grandfather's. Like, so he was a man that, you know, grew up around horses and the bush a lot, so he had saddles. He had horses. He had a cowboy hat that he was well known by. And on the last day of his funeral, my bro, I tried to get it, I tried to get it. But my uncle claimed it and he ruined it, bro. So, yeah, unfortunately about that. You're the coolest dude on this app. Hey, thank you, brother. Appreciate you, my bro. Yo, Beast, thank you for the rose, my bro. So, yeah, that was, yeah, I tried to get his cowboy hat on the day he was getting buried, my bro. Just so I'd have something. And I always remember that hat quite fondly. And, yeah, my alcoholic asshole of an uncle got it. And, yeah, absolutely ruined it, bro. Didn't even last a year with him. And my nan could see that I was trying to get it, and she tried to get it too, but my uncle was a bit of an asshole. So, oh well, I said, it's alright, don't worry about it. I'll get my own one day, and yeah, I do have my own hat. When I bought it, I didn't buy it, I actually swapped it for a carving. It's a Stetson. And the day I got it, I wore it, and then all my aunties and uncles looked at me and they went, "Far, you look like dad, or you look like uncle," with the hat on, and I was like, oh. Okay. Does your uncle still have the red hat? Nah, he lost it, bro. He lost it. Elbows away. But yeah, I pretty much got my own hat now. And that was the first thing some of my family members said when they saw me with it on. They go, "Far, you look like him." I was like, oh. Must have been a handsome dude. All that to lose it, pretty much, my bro. Him and one of my cousins weren't really coping with the loss of my grandfather. They weren't coping at all. Like one of my first cousins is a bit older than me. He became a bit of a crash out alcoholic too. And then my other cousin, she just wanted to leave. And I was pretty much the one that stayed with my grandmother, my bro. Stayed with her until eventually, I turned 16 and I told my nan I wanted to move. Moving here to Rotorua. Thank you very much, Arono, for the ice cream cones, my bro. Thank you very much. So yeah, at 16, I told my grandmother I wanted to move because I felt like I wasn't learning anything at the school I was at, and I wasn't getting anywhere in my life. And that's what I told her. And then I asked her, "Can I move? Can I move to Rotorua?" You blew up 2 years ago, 6 years ago, my bro. And yeah, I moved here in late 2008, early 2009. Que uso sekai. I don't know what's going on. I can't do the puzzle. Okay, my TikTok stream may end. Because, you know, when you go live and you got to swipe that puzzle across. It's not popping up on my screen. Oh, now it is. Waiting for it to load. There it is. Thank goodness for that. Boom. Holy, delayed much. Thank you very much for the 10 roses, Arono and Gillian. Yeah, so, yeah, I left home at 16. Moved out. And then it was to do my senior year of high school here in Rotorua. My final year. And it was the best. It was one of the best decisions I made for myself. Because I was a bit of a hermit back in the day. Like, I didn't like leaving home. I didn't like leaving the valley or where I was from. Not even to come to town, bro. I hated it. And so I had no social skills there. Didn't even know how to. You know, I was too shy to order a bloody burger from McDonald's. But me moving away from home brought me out of my shell a hell of a lot. Thank you very much, Daniel. The LeBron James of wood carving. LeBron James. Who's speaking of NBA, who's in the finals now? Daniel, thank you very much for the hearts, my bro. Or are they still deciding? I see the Knicks are facing Cleveland because one of the mods is a big Knicks fan, so he's always sharing their wins. Yeah, so I don't know too much about what's going on in the NBA. When I say I enjoy football more, or like NFL, I mean it. Where are you, bro? Aotearoa, New Zealand, my friend. Alright. MDF can be good to start off with. Just keep in mind that MDF does not have a grain. So you can't really learn how to read grains from MDF. But you know, it's good to, you know, start on something. Don't count it out completely. Go. Where are we? Thank you very much, brother Architect, for the 6 months, my bro. Greetings from the land of midnight sun. Jay, my bro. Thank you very much for the resub, my brother. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Greetings. Sorry, that's not good evening. Holy, I'm stupid. Jeremiah, bro. Thank you very much for the 6-month arenas, brother. How are you, my bro? How are you? It's random, eh? Like with TikTok lives, something I've noticed. You ban or you block an account, and yet they can still comment on your live. That makes no sense. How does that work? Hello from Romania. Kia ora, my bro. Beautiful piece, thank you, brother. How did you learn wood carving, and what were the first pieces you ever carved? So, had a good teacher, first of all. Shout out to my uncle. May he rest. The first thing I ever carved was something called a wakahuia. Now, a wakahuia is kind of like a treasure chest or something that our people would use to store huia feathers. Now, the huia was a native bird that used to reside in our country. Unfortunately, it's not around anymore. And the feathers were only ever reserved for people of chieftain lines, pretty much. Are you religious? I'll be honest, I only believe in my own people's gods. I don't really follow a faith that was brought here on the ship by another people I'm not from. That's kind of just how I judge it. You know, each to their own. I'm not here to chase you with a pitchfork and a torch, pretty much, about what religion you follow, but yeah. Sure. Thank you, John, for the gifties, my bro. And also Max with the hand thingy. Thank you very much. Oh, manifesting, that's what it's called. Shake my head, okay? Shaking head. I don't know what that does. Thank you very much for the pirate hat. You make me look like burnt peanut. Good night. Good night. He's funny, man. I haven't watched any of his streams in a while because I've been just busy. But I wonder how he's going. I would assume he's doing great, having fun as usual. Those are the streamers, the gaming streamers I can get behind, man. Streamers that play the game for fun. That is genuinely the thing for me, personally. New South Wales or Queensland? I'm just going to go Queensland, my bro, because JT's one of my favourite players. Jeez, is it that time of the year already? See, that's how out of touch I have been lately. Just been focusing on other things. Jesus, Origin already on the way? Or was it soon? Yeah, JT's been one of my favourite players because of my koro. He's a big Cowboys fan. Big Cowboys fan. And so I too, support the Cowboys as well. Yo, what up, Olvis? Kia ora. Just thought I'd let you know your audio is very low on Twitch. It's fine on... Yeah, people tell me now. We're about almost 2 hours in. The legend, what's up, man? How you doing? How you doing, brother? Lovely to watch someone doing something they are good at. For me, it would be sharpshooting. A bit less interesting as a stream, though. I mean, put it this way. I would say if it's something you want to show it. I mean, look at Dude Perfect. Sharpshooting is something they get into. Like, if it's something you want to show, bro, do it. Don't think that, you know, oh, it's going to be boring. Just do it because you love to do it. Because it's fun. Thank you very much for the gifties on TikTok as well. That's what I would say anyway. It's purely up to you at the end of the day, my bro. So the grain's going that way too. Goodness me. Yeah. I mean, yeah, bro. Stream your sharpshooting if it's something you want to do, brother. Righty. Here we go, and we're going to do this one. Yeah, bro, give it a go, bro. Straight up. You won't know till you try, eh? That's what I'd say. There you go. Sorry if it's a bit boring, no background music, guys. I just don't have an extra bit of technology to play any music. You can let it grow as strong as you need it to be. Pretty much. I remember you, man. You were that guy who was telling viewers not to gift. What a legend. Hello, RP. How are you, man? Long time no see, good sir. Okay. Let me go inside real quick. I need a water. Imagine a place for your troubles and opalus now. Thank you very much, Lone Wolf. John Cena of woodcutting. Must be wearing camo. John Cena wood carving. That's a good comment. I'll give you that one. W comment. The arse end of his career was pretty ratchety. It was pretty mud. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not trying to be unforgettable, but I know I will be. What's that for, user? Pure sound of working being done just like my grandpa used to do. No, yeah, it's 1 a.m. Good man going to sleep early. Yeah, I don't want you staying up too late watching the streams, guys. So please, pretty please, go to sleep at reasonable o'clock, eh? Appreciate you, man. And I'll see you around. Okay. Trouble in the area. Whoa, whoa. Far up. It's got to fix the depth a little bit, chat, because the depth is playing up. There you go. Where are we? Thank you very much, Shorty, for the 46 roses. Kia ora. Oh, 47, because you gifted one before. Just got to turn it around. Lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel? Baby. Lost without you. Can't help myself. What's up, Hasif? How does it feel? Sorry guys, there's just some bits I gotta get from this angle. They're a bit impossible to do from the other side. Trouble in the area. Joe Louis, kia ora my bro. Kia ora Rick Grimes. Where's Carl? Where's Carl? What's up, my bro? Where's Carl? Such an iconic couple words from old Rick Grimes, eh? Where's Carl? Then the bro gets bitten by a damn zombie. Call me Ara because I can't see it. That's it, eh? He gets bitten in the program, eh? I haven't read the comics, or if there are any. If I remember correctly. I could be wrong. Yeah, I kind of stopped watching it after a while. It got pretty boring. They killed him off for money reasons. Is that why he stopped wanting to be a part of the show? Damn. Or did they not have the budget? Because there's a show that follows Daryl Way. Owen, thank you very much. William, thank you very much for the Night Star, my bro. And Cassie's as well for the Rose. Yeah, isn't there like a Daryl spin-off as well? They didn't want to pay him as an adult because he was turning 18. That is crazy. What stingy pricks. Just, hey man, we're gonna kill your character off before you turn 18 because we don't want to pay you adult rates. What a that's actually dumb as shit, bro. I didn't know that. Because I remember watching it back in the day thinking, fuck, what a dumb ending. Why? Now we know. Now we know. Bro, that is so... What a miser, man. Yo, thank you very much for the 20 gifties, my bro. What's up, Nate? How you doing, brother? And Pure Soccer. That's why I boycotted series was meh after season 3. Yeah, it kind of got... It got pretty shit, eh? It got pretty shit, man. Yeah, that's absolutely... That's a pretty... that's pretty dog water behavior that they did that. Yeah, that's some dog water behavior there, bro. I say that with all honesty. Can you suggest me something easy to carve that is traditional from your country? Well, it depends. Are you from here? Are you Maori? Alright, wow, that's dumb, bro. Holy. Actual's rat behavior. He was at Armageddon too, saw him on the... Oh, that's right. Which one was it? Was it last year's one? Brock's had to be like you. Just be yourself. The only person you want to beat every day is who you were yesterday. That's the only type of person you want to be better than. That's what I try and do. Be better than I was yesterday. It's kind of all there is to it, in my opinion. Just try and beat the person you were yesterday. That's all it's about. Oh, it was this year? Oh, true. Because that lady from the, what is it? The Rookie was there, eh? She was there. Brox, do you watch anime? Yes, I do. I'm rewatching Naruto with one of my daughters because she's going for a big ninja phase. Kakashi's one of her favorites. I watch One Piece now and again when the good episodes are on because I'm kind of reading it at this point. Yeah, I'm just reading it, brother. And what's the last one I watched? I put all my skill points into defense. That was the last anime I watched, I think. Yeah, it was. Thank you very much, MMA Jetta, for being in the chat too. Thank you very much, Kai, for the galaxy as well over on TikTok. Thank you very much, Kai. Thank you, kind sir. So yeah, I put all my skill points into defense. Was the name of the anime. It's just this girl who basically puts all her skill points into defense, and she becomes like this god tier tank. Thank you very much, Toby, for the roses too. Yeah, she becomes like a god tier tank. But other than that, I haven't really been watching anything else lately. I haven't even seen JJK. I haven't watched Bleach. I should though, because bro, that Kenpachi dude looks cool. What else? No, I haven't really watched anything. Like, I hardly watch TV these days. Yeah, like, I hardly ever touch the TV. Other than to turn music on YouTube while we're cleaning the house. I gotta turn my PlayStation 5 on though to see if Sony's taken any of my games, because apparently they're doing that, eh? If you're inactive, and whatever game you buy digitally, they're gonna take it off you, which I think is a big pile of horse shit. I won't lie. Thank you very much for the roses, Ed. What's good, Elichi? How you doing? Maple is a god tier tank. What's this anime? I remember watching that Legend of the Shield hero ages ago. What else? What else would I like to watch? I don't know, man. There's so many, I just don't have enough time these days. Thank you for the roses, guys. Yeah, I barely have time to watch anime these days, if I'm being completely honest. Let me just clean this up. So sad that one of my favorite voice actors is, or one of the voice actors who voiced one of my favorite characters in One Piece has passed on. Ratchet is. Much love to the voice actor of Dory. If you don't know who Dory is, guys, he's one of the giants in One Piece. Dory and Broggy. Wait, is that him? Hello, how are you? One peak. Oh, bro, it's been so good lately. It just keeps getting better and better, man. Where are we? These feel real. I don't know why you keep quoting stuff, but okay. Think it might be a new bot tactic, guys. Where are we? Hey, it's our guy. Hi from the Philippines. Hey, brother, how you doing? Okay. So we're starting to get them cut out now. All we kind of have to do right now is just get them clean. That's all we have to do right now is get them clean and get them all even throughout the entire thing. And then, yeah, my daughter has another basketball game today. So I'm going to watch her play today. Excited to see her go and rip it up, man. Where are we? Hope you're all enjoying the streams, guys. Sorry if it's a bit low energy and there's no background ambience. I just, the iPad's not charged. So I can't really play anything right now. I'm not here to, I don't know what the hell. I think that's a bot, guys. Thank you very much, Sam. Big brother Sam, for the 50 roses, my bro. I see that Snapchat filter. I use that all the time too with my kids. I use it all the time with my kids, my bro. Is it cold in Hawaii? I don't know. I'd like to go there one day. Not so much for the touristy stuff, but for the people, eh? I'd rather learn the culture and the history from the people. I thought you was in Hawaii. Nah, brother. I stay down the bottom of the Polynesian Triangle, my bro. Here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. So I believe Hawaii's at the top. And we're down the bottom. You're right down here in the bottom of the Polynesian Triangle, my bro. Thank you for the roses, Mycin J. Kia ora. Okay, where are we? Oh my days. Are you selling your pieces at the moment? I do have some pieces that I'm going to sell, just not yet. Oh my days. Hold on, guys. There we go. Thank you very much, Benji, for the roses too. That's him. Love this guy. Hey, much love, my brother. Sorry if I missed your comment asking who I am. Sorry. My name's Brooks. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and I started streaming on Twitch first. I still stream on Twitch, like I'm live there right now. But yeah, we stream on 4 different platforms these days. We're not as we're not as popular as we used to be, but just something I pretty much expected to happen anyway. But welcome on through. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. But genuinely, my bro, I do wood carving majority of the time on my channels. I do GTA RP as well. I genuinely love it. And I play World of Warcraft too. And I'm starting to plan what I want to do for the GTA 6 launch. It's really cool. I remember when you blew up. Hey, brother. Yeah, bro. I'll be honest, like, with Whakairo, like wood carving, I won't stop doing it till I'm old, my bro. It's not necessarily something I'd stop doing, you know? Say, for example, you know, I finish streaming in life, I'd probably still be carving. Yeah, I'd still be doing this, my bro. Regardless of where I'm at in life. There you go. I'm not the voice actor of Korg as well. That's not me. That's not me. Has carving always been in the family? Pretty much. I didn't discover my grandfather. My my mum's dad was a carver till he had passed. Like, I never knew. Like, he never really done it around me growing up. But I did remember seeing a lot of like taiaha and tefa around his house. I just, you know, never put 2 and 2 together. I mean, one thing I was quite fond of my grandfather was being able to watch Zoids at his house all the time. So yeah, I never really put the 2 and 2 together that he was a carver. And then it was when my uncle kind of educated me a bit. He pulled out the whakapapa book, or the genealogy book,
and it had his name in there, and all our ancestral woodcarvers in our family on my grandfather's side. And then eventually, when I moved here to Rotorua, I found out that, Whakairo goes even deeper on my grandmother's side too, which I was, mind blown by, because I didn't think it would be a family thing on both sides at all. And so on my grandfather's side, I'm a 4th gen. On my grandmother's, I'm a third generation. So there was a big gap in my family's family tree of a woodcarver, or someone who pursued whakairo, And then when my grandfather found out, the chief of our tribe, my nan's cousin, he was happy. He was happy as. And like throughout the majority of my life, I kind of just sat down and learnt from him. I still do to this day. I go and see him. Main reason why I go and see him, just to take the kids over, because that's their great grandfather as well. And you take the kids over just to go and see him, just be in his presence and just have a good old yarn, because he's getting old now too. And one thing I always want to make sure is that my kids know their grandparents, whether they be greats or just their firsts. I always try and take them to be surrounded by their elders, so they can, take in all that they know too. And yeah, that's pretty much always been the thing. Like even on my wife's side of her family, their grandmother is still alive, so that's my kid's great grandmother. And only recently they lost their great grandfather. So he had when he was alive, he met all 6 of the generations of his grandchildren. So yeah, that's it's pretty hardcore. Hey, what up, baby? One moment, guys. She's a bit brittle over here, isn't it? Woo! There you go. Whoa, whoa. Body in the area. Whoa. She's just a brittle over here. But I will get it done. Beautiful work, bro. Keep it up. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, my bro. Appreciate you. One moment, guys. We'll stand it up and we'll kind of show what we've done. I'll give you a close-up too. So I've only got like 3 more to do, like touch up, but I think we'll stand it up now so you can kind of see what we've done soon. Let me just clean this one up. Go. Yo, cheer my bro. Yo, what up, what up, what up? Thank you very much for the 74 months, bro. 74. Holy. That's a long bloody time, bro. It is a long bloody time. Since day 1, pretty much. To this day. Thank you very much for the 74 months as a sub on Twitch, my bro. Never gets old seeing their number climb, man. Never gets old. That's a long bloody time. And it serves as you know, a bit of a reminder of how long it's been. For sure, my bro. There, well, I missed the first 3 weeks of. Oh, did you? Oh, my niece. Damn. I'd say you're within the range, bro. In my opinion. I haven't stretched today. I need a stretch. Yeah, I'm gonna be. Yo, thank you very much, Ada, for the cats as well, and the misadventure as well. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at coming back to PAX this year, especially with their rep from Blizzard flying over. Would be better to come through just as a attendee this time instead of an exhibitor. The real day one, he is. Yeah, so I've been following him for a long time too. Old Kifs. When did I start? There's like way before Fortnite days. That's for sure. I remember watching him way before he started jumping into that. But yeah, and then been good mates ever since. You always got time for that guy. One moment, guys. I am teetering on a very difficult area. I'm wondering if I try and fill this with sawdust and glue. That might be the play. Other than that, it kind of looks cool. A little imperfection in the timber. But yeah, bro, still been looking at phones, seeing which one I'd get for the IRL stuff. I haven't really been looking at anything else. People were saying Android's the way to go for IRL stuff. Because I connected with someone who does a lot of IRL stuff, and I'm in their Discord as well. They got the likes of Esfan and them all in there. And he's good mates with Samet, the Australian drifter. He streams a bit too. But I met him at a drift event here. Yeah, I met him here at in Taupo at the LZ World Tour. And we've been keeping in contact ever since. Bro, I'd love to get into drifting, eh? Looks fun. Android is normally cheaper. Okay, so that's the one everyone normally goes for. Yeah, I noticed that with Nat's phone too. She had a Samsung Pro or something. Big bloody thing, that's for sure. But I just had to figure out how the hell did she keep her battery full. Yeah, so I'm going to start looking into who's the better phone provider. Bro, I'm at One New Zealand and I feel like they're the most dog water out of all of the providers here. So, I mean, my mum's data plan is better than mine. It's my damn mum, the boomer. Boomer's data plan is better than mine, way better. Also guys, after stream, yeah, I'll figure out why our alerts are not working too. I'll probably have to go through the Twitch dashboard and sort that out. See why they're not popping up. Okay. Yeah, as long as we get majority of them cut out today. Is Spark NZ good? I'd say, yeah, it's better than One NZ. I'll definitely get a secure phone next time make sure to get some level of encrypted folder for my bank apps. Oh, if I'm getting another phone just for streaming, I'd probably only have like the streaming app on it. Yeah, not really planning on having anything else other than streaming stuff on it. Oh, block fell out. Yo, to those on TikTok watching right now, how much people are in the stream right now? Since I can't see the event thing and the viewer thing. My yeah, my TikTok live home base thing is a bit scuffed out, so I can't really see. Okay, thank you guys. 420. It's crazy how hardcore numbers generate on TikTok, man, compared to the other platforms I'm on. It's like a legit powerhouse. Okay, hold up. I gotta put that block back underneath. Oh my gosh, these bots with their cringe ass comments, bro. I don't really notice strangers, but I notice you. That is a bot, bro. They've been saying shit like that for the whole stream. The hell? It's the first time actually seeing you live. Hello, good sir. How are you, laddie? Come on, voice. One moment, guys. I just gotta go inside. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some good news. My wife has given me the go-ahead to stream again this evening, so you know what that means. We continue the journey in Middle Earth, okay? We will be reading this evening. We will be reading this evening, guys. WYV, WYV. Keep her on. So I don't know if TikTok would like to join in on the reading vibes, but let me know, because it is definitely hard to know if people on TikTok would be keen to listen to me and my difficulty with big English words. Alright, let me know. Do you make 21st keys? Nah, brother, I don't anymore, aroha mai. I stopped doing them a long time ago. Like, there may be the odd occasion where I do one, but I'm just too flat out to do them these days. Oh, come on, Wi-Fi. There we go, now we got a bit of ambience back. Yo, Thunder Punchy! Thank you very much for the 67 months. Thanks for the 67 months, my bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I gotta clip that. Gotta clip that and take a photo and put that on a TikTok. Also, my bro, one of the bros has asked where I got my emotes from, and I suggested you because, you know me, if anyone asks for emotes, I'm gonna point them at your way. Bit of a noble question. I'm sure you have been asked a lot. What do you call that carving? Mallet. If you want, I call this one Rwanda. And I call this one, I call this mallet Mrs. Thor. So yes, my mallets have names. Rwanda and Mrs. Thor, you're welcome. I'm not joking, by the way. I am the second wielder of Rwanda, okay? This belonged to my tutor, and he was going to throw it out, and I said, I'll have it. So thus the story began of me being the second wielder of Rwanda, okay? There we go. And I am the first wielder and creator of Mrs. Thor. You're welcome. So yeah, once again, shout out to the bro Thunder Punch. 6'7", my bro. Thank you, brother. He went from non-verbal to a champion lacrosse player. W to you and your son. W parent as well. Let's not forget that. Let's not forget that. You may not do it, but I will highlight you as well. W parent. W parent. Yo, what up, Social Club? How you doing, brother? Yo, Solar Sailor. How you doing, my brother? Much love, my bro. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, my bro. Can you, oh my god, first time actually seeing you live. Hello, good sir. Alive, and want you to challenge, I want to challenge you to a duel. Beep. I put my stone soldier in defense mode and end my turn. Man, I wouldn't mind watching some Yu-Gi-Oh again, eh? Which reminds me, I still need to get some of those. I still want to try and get that Dark Magician Overframe card, man. Still want to try my luck at that. Kia ora, bro. You played any of the new Forza? Yeah, bro, I've been playing them, my bro. Absolutely love it. Love it, my bro. It's been fun. I haven't really been smashing out any of the story without the stream, though. We're up to the mech race at the moment. But I've just been doing some of the side stuff. I'll be honest, I really enjoy all the cross-country and the rally league stuff. It's probably my favorite bit about Forza at the moment, doing all of that stuff. I haven't really tried drifting yet. One thing I'm planning to do with the stream as well in terms of Forza is we're going to get 4 cars, and everyone from, you know, the 4 platforms that we stream on are going to customize it. Not me, you guys. Where are we? Oh, that bot is still going. Ever considered stone carving? It is something I will do when me and my wife purchase a home and I have a proper shed. So there's stone carving in my culture as well, and that is definitely something I'd love to have a jam at as well. But it's you're getting the house as a work in progress right now, brother. Because me and my wife got to save quite a bit. Yeah, there's only a couple of requirements I want when it comes to a home. A wide toilet with a sidebar where I can put my arm up, and an open window, a fireplace, a lawn that I can cut myself with the lawnmower, and a living room and the balcony, like the floor from the living room extends to the balcony where there's going to be a barbecue on the side, and a double garage with a offshoot room so I can stream in it. I know, but much to ask, wife. But yeah, that's what me and my wife are currently saving for, my brother. Hold up. Anyone seen the Mandalorian movie? Is it any good? I'm not really much of a Star Wars fan, but Mandalorian I can consider watching. Long time no see, Brock's trying to get that old crew live stream. And you. The old crew's live streams, Panda, you and Hammerrazor. Bro, I'd love to. Wait, are they doing a Knock Knock collab stream? John Wick in space. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, man. Fuck that dog scene, bro. It irked me quite a lot, eh? I won't lie, I'm a bit of a dog man, I won't lie, you know, dogs on top. The Mandalorian was really, really good. Oh, okay. Because there isn't no Jabba the Hutt's peptide, hereditary tied son on there. He's like built like a brick shithouse, eh? I saw a photo of him, I was like, holy, how many cycles has this hut been on? Holy shit. You know, we're too used to seeing like a tub of shit looking Jabba the Hutt. Then we see this freaking Greek god of a worm show up on the trailer. I was like, what in Mother Earth is that? And then find out it's a hut. Yeah. So I'm pretty keen to watch it. Yeah, I'm not a big Star Wars fan, bro, but I absolutely enjoyed Mandalorian and Boba Fett. I mean, I'm biased, that's why I enjoyed Boba Fett, but still, it's not the point. It's not the point, alright? What's up, Mario? Wait, what's happening? What's happening? What did I miss? Yeah, bro, he's, Sculpted worm, bro. He's what those worms on Men in Black want to be. And just a disclaimer, I only know what Hereditary Tide is because I know a few influencers that are on that stuff. Would I do that? Yeah, probably not. Must take so much patience and care to craft. You know, patience does help. I'll say that much. So I'd say, yeah, patience does help, but you know, majority of the time, it comes down to the person too. I put it in a way like, how bad do you want to get to the, you know, the end product? How much do you want it, you know? One thing I absolutely love, my bro, is going through all the processes, eh? I love it, man. There we go. Oh my gosh, the grain, bro. Whew. Morte. Okay, let's stand them up, eh, so you can see it. I need to see it. Movies back. Movies back. What have I been missing? Sorry about that. Darcy, thank you very much. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. There's no worry. Don't you hurry, we can take our time. We're alone now, you don't know how long I wanted to lock the door into the night I knew. I can't believe how much it turns me on just to be your man. Hold on, Chatterino. Oh, shiitake mushrooms. Against the grain. Oh my gosh. It's getting constantly flashbanged by the sun from my chisel. Alright, now I'll stand it up. Sorry about that. Just doing a quick touch up. Here we go. So we are almost done, okay? Bro, the sun reflecting off my chisel straight into my eyes. Not the greatest day, not the greatest feeling now. Alright. Justin, be your man. So, a bit adjusting that we have to do. I just have to lower this side and this section here. But all in all, everything is there. Everything's been done. We're pretty much looking at the finish line now. Pretty much looking at it. Just got to focus more on this side a little bit more. Get everything cleaned up once we've ridged everything. Once we've done this, I'll get a screw and start putting imprints on here, on this lower level. Then it's done. Pretty much that's it. And then we'll go over the carving one more time and, you know, adjust the eye sockets, put the bevels in, go over it again, touch up anything along the outsides that you can't see. One thing to keep in mind, thank you very much for the roses. One thing to keep in mind is always keep these clean. All of these. You know, that the sections that the eyes can't see when we're facing head on. So those are some of the parts that we've still got to clean up a little bit. Just a little bit. Not hardcore. Just like little like smidges. But yeah, that's what we've done so far, and it's almost there. We're almost done. Thoughts, guys? How's it looking from you guys' angles? All good? Thank you very much, Owen. Oh shit, our phone's getting flat. Okay, TikTok. I hope you enjoyed the TikTok stream today. We got majority of the work done, which is always good, which is always a plus. But we will be back this evening as well. We'll be back for some more streams this evening. I'll probably be streaming tonight, doing some reading. But for now, TikTok, I have to love and leave you because our phone is getting flat. Have a good one. Much love. Thank you very much for all the love today, and have a good day, evening, breakfast, lunch, and tea. Cheers. Thank you very much, TikTok. Bye bye. Alrighty. How's it looking for you guys, chat? Did you enjoy the progress we made today? Not too bad, eh? Not too bad. Solid bit of mahi today, I will not lie. Body is amazing. Yeah, you know, pretty simple, straightforward. Kinda, that's all I was going for. Simplicity, really, as I normally do. and then we'll add, you know, more dimensions to it as we progress too, because we're almost done. And then we get back to the bros. We'll get back to the bros. What am I trying to say? We'll get back to the bros commission, and then after that we got to do wheelchairs commission. What's the temp? I have no idea, my bro. I have no idea. Hold up, what am I doing? Okay. I'm happy with the progress we've made today, guys. Genuinely happy with the progress we've made today. Yeah, genuinely happy with the progress we've made today. We're almost at the finish line before we start staining. So yeah, feast your eyes. Almost done, and then we do the last final touches before we stain too. So it's looking good. It's looking good. Thank you very much for all the love today. We will be live again this evening for some reading. We're going to continue with Lord of the Rings, okay? We're going to carry on with Lord of the Rings this evening. If you're keen to listen to me try and read Tolkien's complicated English, feel free to come on through. But yeah, for now, GG's. Thank you very much for all the love. And yeah, I'll see you this evening for some more reading. Go through and show some love to my boy Aaron Aztec, okay? All those on Twitch. Show some love to him. I'll see you later. Stay there.